What's up, guys? In this little video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own Binance account. All right. So first of all, we need to go to the Binance.com. Okay, and depending on your country, you're gonna check the website in your main language. Okay, depending on your country and also depending where you are trying to connect. So in order to sign up, you just need to click on here. Okay. And you can do it as we continue with Google, also we continue with Apple account or using your email or phone number. Okay. I really recommend to use a new fresh Gmail account so you not to mix your personal things with your finance account. So for this example, I'm going to continue with my Google account. Okay, you need to click on here by creating an account and agree with the final terms and services and privacy policy. Next. And then you can see here that your account has been created successfully. All right. In this case, this is an optional that is referral ID. It means that if somebody has invited you to uh, create your account, okay, you can set here the referral ID. So both of you are going to receive some money for it. In this option, you can enable or enable in order to receive marketing updates from Binance. Let's go click on next. In this simple steps, you can create your Binance account. So from this point, you're gonna need to verify your identity, okay? And well, in this case, you're gonna receive 20 USDT cryptocurrency for verifying your account, okay? So this is something that you need to do if you wish to operate with Binance, all right? So you just need to click on here and verify. And based in the country you are located, it's going to show you the residence automatic. In this case, Spain. Okay. So, but for all countries, no matter where continent where you are, normally is the government issue ID and also anomaly like a bank statement or some utility bill or something like that. Also, you have a guidance here in order to see how you can verify your identity. It's just in a video, so you can click on it and see the video tutorial here. It's going to continue, and it's going to ask you for your nationality and legal name, last name, date of birth, and this kind of things. From this point, you also have options to get the Binance application or using the computer as we do in this video. All right. So you can use the Binance app because it's faster and easier, but also you can do it here in the desktop. Once you complete and upload your documentation, Binance is going to verify your account, and then after some days, a couple days maybe, you are going to are ready to start using your Binance account.